Hello there. Didn't see you. Well, I'm back with another video. Second day in a row. Actually, I'm gonna post a video every day until Brady's gonna get here. Here's some news. I want to build today, but my phone is dead, so I can't really watch the video. So, I'm gonna film this now so it's not too dark when I actually start making it, because this takes time, you know? Also, I have this box. Where's the label? Oh, it's right there. Yeah, this is a rocket launcher. I wonder what that could be. Rocket. This is the one that I made, yesterday after I started recording, so that's why you didn't see it. This is the one. I'm probably gonna put another one of those, tops on it. Or I'll just leave this on. It depends. Paper that might or might not be the list of things. A bunch of these pieces. I thought I was gonna roll off the table. There's some more pieces. And that's it. Now, so we have 3 T's, right? I'm just gonna line everything up. We got 4 caps. I don't even remember what this is called, but we have 1 of these. We have 2 of these. Oh, we also have 2 of these. Now, you can't really buy those at Home Depot, I think, just empty. And we have 1 of these, which I thought I was going to roll down the table. And there's a cap. Pretty sure that's all. Now, in the video that I watched, it had, oh, I almost forgot the most important part. Knocked out the sand off of it. It fell. This is actually the stuff that, hold on, let me just demonstrate what it's going to be like. So you have these. They all fit on here, right? And we're going to cut this up so we can actually fit stuff on here better, because you can't do that. But you know what you can do? Just give me a second. That you can do that. And we have these. All this stuff fits on here because, well, fits in there. Yeah, because it's all the same size. Home Depot, you did a solid 80% of the stuff, because we needed these. We needed not this. We needed stuff that I'm ordering on Amazon, which I just ordered it. $4.80 something for four tubeless tire valves, and then it was $5 for 1 bushing. So that's just like ridiculous. I wish that I could not spend that much money on Amazon. Like, for these caps at Home Depot, probably cost the same as the 1 tire valve. Like, those 2 things plus tax on Amazon was $11. I just spent $11. All this stuff right here is $11, and I only bought 2 things on Amazon. Now, to be fair, the tire valves, they came with 4, so I don't know. It's like $1 tire valve, I guess. But yeah, we had these. We had 2 of these with us, and 2 of these with us. So we didn't need to buy these. We really only need to buy this. So just don't pay attention to that. Metal rod. All this right here, $11. we didn't have to pay for these, so I don't know how much that cost, but it was $11 on Amazon. I'm also actually looking for a tripod to record the launch. I have a paper somewhere. I gotta look for it. But it's somewhere, and it has like the schedule that I'm gonna follow. Yeah, here it is. The first day, which was yesterday, the 15th, was the plan. Today was supposed to be the building video. Tomorrow, also a building video. Then the next day after that, a testing video to test how it worked. And the next video after that, we're gonna add some stuff on it, and then test it again. And then on the 21st, which was gonna be the 7th video, it's supposed to be launch day. But yeah, it might not work out as planned. Yeah. So we have this. We have the idea. We just need to build it. I spent the first like 5 minutes already talking to you guys. So I'm probably gonna get to cutting that piece that I threw over there and trying to piece it together to make it look like what the guy showed in the video. Even though I don't have the video right now, we're just gonna wing it. Yeah. Always works, right? Oh, this is. Yeah, we're back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I have the cutters. I have my sister's tablet for a reference to see how it looks, and yes, it is pink. See? Don't worry about it, because pink is cancer awareness. So it all works out in the end, right? So I have these cutters, and we're just gonna cut until I have all the pieces that I need. Step on the rocket, and yeah, let's just see how it goes. I'm just gonna do it there. Pretty simple, if you know what you're doing. And I'm a professional, so this is how long it can be. You can attach these where you want them, like that. You see, not that hard. And yeah, we got stuff. So I'm gonna just pull stuff apart. We're gonna measure it with the best I can. Just eyeballing it. Okay. So we need 4 of those. And you just do this. It goes back to how it was. So yeah. Now we got our 2 pieces. Now we just need more. And we're gonna do the same thing again. I'm sorry these videos are long, guys. It's just like I'm gonna film the whole process, you know. I want you guys to be like sure of what you're doing if you're gonna retry this at home. And I'm just gonna show you right now. It will work because I saw a guy on the internet do it. And obviously, if a guy on the internet does it, then it's possible. Right? So I have our 3 pieces so far. They look pretty good. As you saw on the reference of what we're going to be doing, we're going to do another building video tomorrow. Don't worry, guys. 21st. I'm just gonna say the 21st because that's launch day. Probably in the afternoon. If you want to be there at the launch, it's Fay Park. Yeah, Fay Park at around noon. So yeah, like 12 or so. We should do this again. This is the last one, guys. Now we don't need this anymore. I don't think. I might be wrong though. Just look. Okay, there's 3 tiny other pieces that I have to do with this. I'm just gonna spare you the time and stuff, so I'm just gonna pause it there. It's already getting pretty long, so yeah. Okay guys, it's later, like way later, and I have this done so far. Looks pretty good, right? Well, if you look closely in there, there's threads, and also if you look closer in there, there's threads. We need slip-ons, not threads. So yeah, we didn't know that. So that's sad. I'm pretty sure everything else is fine, but threads. That one's good. This one, pretty sure it's good now, but it took me like half an hour just to get it on here. Because there's threads. There's actually threads in all of the 4 caps that I got. I thought it was just gonna be easy. Slip them on, show you guys. But no. That's where we're ending it off today. Yeah.